Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am here today to unbox this new Karcher steam cleaner SC1 EasyFix. This is not a review, it's just an unboxing, my initial thoughts on what I think. So if you are looking for a steam cleaner, this may just be the steam cleaner for you. So this is a handheld steam cleaner, quite small in size. It comes with quite a few attachments, so it does do the same job as the normal large one, which is the SC3. But this one is just much more lighter. I'll show you a few of the pieces that come in the box. The nozzle itself, you can place it up or down, which is quite clever because you can use it to clean different areas and just change the brush how you need it. This little light is green. When you switch it on, it flashes green. It doesn't flash, it's just a steady green to show you that the machine is on. What I did notice is at first when you switch it on for the steam to come out, I think water comes out first, so be very careful, and then the steam then follows after that. So you can either wipe away with a cloth or use a mop. But with a mop, just be careful that the floor will be wet and quite slippery. My initial thoughts are that this machine is super light. It actually does a really great job of cleaning the tiles, but it has other attachments that do different things. Like I said, this is not a full review. This is just an unboxing and my initial thoughts. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments, or anything you'd like to me to try out with this machine. Otherwise, I will come back with a full review of how I found this machine.